Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus, and today I want to talk about subgroups. A subgroup is an independent bus, just like an aux mix, but it shares fader level and panning with the main mix. Unlike a DCA group, which only controls channel volumes, you can route a subgroup to an output and add processing like a compressor or EQ. Now, one way to do this is by using FlexMixes. So let's take a look at how to set up a FlexMix subgroup on a Series 3 mixer using universal control. Here you see a band layout with 10 channels for drums, and I've already set their individual channel panning. Let's send them to a stereo FlexMix subgroup. I'll click the aux 1 button, then the stereo link button in the upper left window, and you can see that aux 1 and 2 are now joined. I'll give it a name. Then I'll click the sub button in that same window. I will now choose each channel I want to add into the group, and then I'll click Done in the upper left window. I can now add DSP processing to the sub bus, delay it, or engage a high-pass filter, or take it out of the mains if I need to. As you can see, StudioLive Series III Mixers are loaded with powerful tools and flexible workflows that streamline mixing. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.